Hey, what's happening, YouTubers? In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to save on energy costs. This is a good way to cool down your garage in the summertime and heat it up in the wintertime. What I'm using here, as you can see, is a reach barrier insulation strips. What you simply do is you cut them down to size of your panels, right there. And you can get these at Home Depot. I got it on a deal on Groupon myself. I think it's about roughly $80. I'm sure you can find it for less if you get like a Groupon deal like I did. Let's do a temperature test and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, so 96 degrees without the insulation, and with the insulation it's about 89 degrees or 90 degrees. So difference about few degrees. What they do is, far as sticking them on, they provide you a double tape, which doesn't work good in my opinion. It kept on peeling off. So what I did is bought some Loctite power grab, and what you're going to simply do is here's how it looks when it's all complete.